The following is a demonstration of Reed's PB Series drill-powered chamfer tool. The drill-powered chamfer tool attaches to a corded or cordless drill to chamfer both the inner and outer diameters of plastic pipe such as PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PE. Reed's chamfer tools come in 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch sizes, or find all three in a tool kit. Make sure the internal bevel is set to the correct schedule pipe to be chamfered. Reed's chamfer tool is adjustable to both Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 pipes. Simply loosen the adjusting screw and slide the internal blade to the desired position. Then tighten the screw. Mount the tool onto the drill and set the drill speed to the lowest setting. Place the tool over the end of the pipe and engage the drill. Reed's PB Series chamfer tools create a smooth, consistent 15-degree bevel in just seconds, eliminating leak channels and user fatigue. Reed's PB Series drill-powered chamfer tool deburrs the inside and outside of the pipe simultaneously. This concludes the demonstration of Reed's PB Series drill-powered chamfer tool. For more information on this tool or any of Reed's quality products, visit www.reedmfgco.com.